guys, and how is your summer going? Please let me know. I feel like I haven't spoken to you all in so long. I mean, we don't usually chat, but I give you all an update on what's happening in my life. You all actually do comment below and let me know what's up with y'all, and even on social media we connect. So I really want to know what's happening with y'all and how is your summer going. Besides, today's video was the most fastest video I have ever made. It's 5 DIYs under 5 minutes, and they are cute and I am really excited to show it to you guys. This is the quickest DIYs I have ever made. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Take a bunch of safety pins and just start attaching them together. Measure your wrist and then accordingly you can use as many as you want. Cut the circle depending on the bottom of your mug. Line the edges using a glue gun. And you can decorate however you want it. So here this looks like a collar and you can leave it exactly as it is, or you can make it like I'm doing, like a Peter Pan collar. Once that's done, you can just decorate however you want. I mean, you guys know how much I love chokers. Take a long rectangular sheet and fold it. Next, fill it with glue and let it dry. Remove the paper on top by washing it with water. Draw eyes on your mug and that's it. And I hope you enjoy your summer. Do not get bored. I have a couple of DIYs already up on my channel. You can try all of these and send me a picture. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every single time I post a video. And I will see you guys next Monday.